we're on our next class 4 here called the Gauntlet at 700 CFS on the Tallulah Gorge River here. So pretty much the setup of this rapid, you want to first look for this little key-off rock here, and then you want to go just to the right of it. Once you see this potato-shaped rock, you know you're getting ready to approach the Gauntlet Rapid here. Alrighty folks, here comes your first drop of the Gauntlet Rapid. You want to first identify this little key-off wave right there, and you want to go just to the right of it. You don't want to go over that thing. It gets kind of nasty and manky there. Then after that, you want to stay in the middle of the current and then kind of work a little bit center right here, and then drive left. Don't go towards the right. Extremely far right is a pinning situation. And then you'll see a couple little piss-me-off rocks right here. Go around that thing and then set yourself up for the next drop. Alrighty folks, hopefully you stayed in the boat so far here. Your next thing you want to look out for is Seal Rock. This is your next key-off rock here. You want to go just to the right of this thing, but be careful. Just past Seal Rock, there's these two little reactionary waves, one right here and the next one, the more important one. Stay in the boat here. If you fall out, you could potentially swim Bridal Veil, the next rapid. Do not go right. You want to go left to catch the safety eddy where all the kayakers are. You'll kind of see this little piss-me-off rock here. Go left to catch the eddy, and you'll set yourself up for